USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against TM. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links here. So it says join free Telegram channel. So make sure you connect with my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Join Telegram and then check out the brokers and the prop firm right here. I want you to sign up with the brokers separately if you are going to trade with my signals in the coming future. You might be trading already, but I want you to have a separate account with these brokers if and when you will be trading with my signals and my signals only in that account, okay? So go and check out these things and subscribe live all free for now. So coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. In weekly, we are down, but we have to be very careful because this low is not broken yet, okay? So I think we are going above now. So this is a trend reversal in the weekly. So we will carry on going up. Daily doesn't make sense. Sorry, this weekly doesn't really give us anything about tomorrow. So let's see what's going to happen in daily. In daily, what do we have? We are very close near to the EMA right now. Now, this was the, let me use my line. There you go. Okay, so this was the previous low. And this candle did not break this low, and these coming candles did not break this low. Okay, if I use one more here, maybe you see. Let me do this. There you go. So this red candle did not even break this low. Okay, so you have to be very careful. I think there will be a breakout in USDJPY in daily towards the upside. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, it doesn't mean it will happen in next 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. It might happen in the next all week. Okay. So if we consider this as an uptrend, so this high is broken. Let me check. This was at 144870 and this is 897. Yes. So this high is broken by this blue candle, and then we took a pullback, and then we might carry on going up as an uptrend. Okay. So uptrend pullback, we might carry on going up in USDJPY as per the daily time frame, because this low is not broken, this low is not broken. So I don't think we're going down. But in 4 hour, we have something different. So let's see what do we have in 4 hour. We are in right on the edge on the EMA. So we had this downtrend, and now if I use my fib levels in the downtrend, you can see from here till here, we have taken a sweet pullback of 61%, and then we might continue going down. Okay, so here we have two possibilities. Either we will carry on going up as in the start of a new uptrend, or we will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so when to enter long, when to enter short. I think this is a very sexy setup for downtrend in 4 hour. Okay, I have shown you the downtrend Fibonacci levels and a 61% pullback, then red candle. I will go short if this previous blue candle is eaten by the next red candle. That's when I will enter short and take my profit somewhere here and then leave it as it is. Okay, so we went up, then we came down. This low is not broken. I still think we have two possibilities. Either we will go up. Yeah, we should go up. But when to enter long after the break of this high. Okay, so next blue candle comes, right? If next blue candle comes and breaks this high, so blue candle closes above this previous blue candle, then that will be the guarantee of the continuation of the uptrend, I believe. In that case, wait for the pullback, then blue candle, then go up. Okay, otherwise wait for this candle to be eaten by the next red candle, then go short. Okay, long only when this high is broken after the pullback, then go long, and then short if this candle is eaten by the red candle. This is what I have for you for this week. So subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and subscribe to Telegram, and sign up with the brokers and do all of that. It's all free, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.